Everyone, today I will introduce the TR607 retro radio. That's it. You can see that it has a very beautiful appearance and can be used as an ornament in the living room, bedroom, and kitchen. With a handle like this, it's very convenient to carry, and you can also use it outdoors, such as gardens and parks. You can see that there is a speaker on each side. Each speaker is 5 watts. The sound is loud and the sound quality is also very good. If you want a small speaker, you can also consider this radio.
The radio mode.
The dial is backlit with this orange backlight every time you use it, so it's very convenient to use at night and it looks very beautiful. And this retro radio supports Bluetooth, USB, TF cards, all external audio input, and so on, just like a small speaker. So, in addition to listening to the radio, you can also play any music you like. Today's explanation is over here. If you have any questions, you can send us a message at any time. Thanks for watching.